Hi, everybody. I'm here today with the challenge for the week. And today we're going to focus on coupons and gift cards. So an idea that I have that I use at my house and I always recommend to my clients is to get a folder like this, the accordion folder. I think this is a check size one. And here's how I organize my coupons and other gift cards that I have around the house. So I name a label like grocery store, all those coupons that you cut from the weekly paper that you get, like the Baltimore Sun paper on Saturdays, that you clip all those coupons for a grocery store. So I keep them here with grocery stores. Any gift card or coupons that you have for like stores that you get for Christmas, these are great, huh? I see there are a couple people online right now, so if you want to just say hi and I can see who you are, or if you have any question, let me know. So that's how I organize it. For attractions, any museums and paper that you have for that, so you can keep it here as well. Restaurants like Charmery, who doesn't like the Charmery, huh? So all the restaurants like Woodbury Kitchen and everything that we get, all paper organized here. Any cards that you have, this is what I like to do. So you know all those stores that they have like cards like that you have discounts and things. So here are mine, and I don't keep them in my wallet because it keeps like very bulky. So what I recommend to do, there is an app that you can get on your phone. It's called Key Ring. I'm gonna show you here. Yeah, so I think you guys can see. So what you do, you take a picture of your card front and back and with the barcode, and you have on your phone. So you don't need to carry all of these things around. So you just have all on your phone. So this is a good app for those who like apps. And in this, you can also keep some envelopes and address label and stamps. So whenever you have to pay a bill or anything, you can put it in there. Oh, hi, Natalie. Thanks for being here. Oh, yeah, the app is Key Ring. I can type for you later as well. I can send a link if I find it too. So what I do is whenever you have to pay a bill or anything, and this stays on my command center. So that way you can do ring, like a ring that you put all the cards together. So, so that's how it's called. So that's it. That's what I have for today. And I would love to see how you guys organize. Yes, thank you. How you guys organize coupons. But this is a great idea. So you have it handy and whenever you need. But show me what you do and how you're going to take a picture and share with us. I would love to see and get other ideas as well. So that's for the week, and I will see you guys next week. Enjoy the week. Enjoy this beautiful weather today. Bye.